In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the project calendar in Microsoft Project. The project calendar defines the working days and hours your entire schedule follows, so switching it is a quick way to align your plan with real-world operations, whether you run a standard work week, a 24-hour operation, or a night shift. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, then show you how to fine-tune the current calendar if you don't want to fully switch. Start by opening your project file. At the top, go to the Project tab. From there, select Project Information. This window is the control center for high-level scheduling settings and is the right place to make a calendar change that applies to the whole plan. In the Project Information window, look for the Calendar field. Open the drop-down and choose the calendar you want the project to follow. Common choices include standard for a typical daytime schedule, 24 hours for continuous work around the clock, and night shift for overnight operations. If your organization uses a custom calendar, perhaps with regional holidays or unique shifts, you can select that as well. This selection is the action that actually switches the entire project over to a new schedule, and it will influence how tasks are placed on the timeline going forward. Confirm the change by clicking OK. You'll see your tasks and dates adjust to honor the new working time rules. That's the full switch completed. If you'd rather keep the current calendar but tweak it instead, you can do that without swapping. Go back to the Project tab and choose Change Working Time. Select the current project calendar in the dialog. From here, you can adjust working days, define specific working hours for each day, and mark non-working time such as holidays or company shutdowns. When you're done, click OK. This approach is great for minor adjustments that bring your plan in line with local policies or temporary changes. Before you finish, keep one important concept in mind. Microsoft Project uses multiple calendar layers. The project calendar sets the overall schedule, but resource calendars control the availability of individual team members, and task calendars can override timing for specific tasks. If these calendars conflict, the resource or task rules may take priority over the project calendar. For example, if your project allows work on Friday, but a resource is marked non-working that day, tasks assigned to that person won't schedule on Friday. Understanding this layering helps you interpret why certain tasks move or don't after a calendar change.